Hi and welcome to my YouTube channel. Do you wanna learn how to make this delicious mango float? Please watch till the end of this video. Enjoy! We will be needing a ripe mango on this recipe. This is the ripe mango I could get in the nearby groceries. It's quite big, so I will be needing probably one of this. But if you are living in Asia, probably you'll be needing 2 to 3 yellow ripe mango. After you peel the mango, slice them very thinly. Be careful not to cut your fingers. A little trivia. Did you know that mangoes originated in India over 4,000 years ago and are considered a sacred fruit? Mangoes spread gradually throughout Asia and then to the rest of the world. Fashion fact: mangoes have been used in arts and fabrics for centuries. The paisley pattern originated in India and is said to be a stylized depiction of a mango. In the language Tamil, spoken by people of India and other surrounding countries, the pattern has been called mankolam, which means mango design. Fun facts: mangoes are related to pistachios and cashews. Wow, now we learned something. And since I slice very slowly, I'll give you another trivia from Wikipedia. Did you know that mangoes are native to South Asia, from where the common mango or Indian mango has been distributed worldwide to become one of the most widely cultivated fruits in the tropics? Promise, I'll be done with slicing soon. Next step, in a clean bowl, put 1.5 cup of heavy cream. Use a hand mixer and beat this for about 2 to 3 minutes or until it becomes stiff thick. Then we add the 3/4 cup of condensed milk. Beat again for another 1 minute. This should be the right consistency. We will be needing graham crackers as our base, and orange soda to flavor the crackers. If you don't have soda, orange juice is fine. I will be using my clear flat bowl on this video, but if you don't have this type of bowl, you can also use an aluminum foil as long as it is flat on the bottom. As you can see, I soaked each one of my graham crackers into the soda. This will be our base. I layered them flat into the bowl. Next, top them with cream. Spread them evenly to cover all the graham crackers. After the cream, Top them with sliced mangoes. To make the second layer, just repeat the process. Just do the same for our third layer. But on this third and last layer, I put a little bit more cream on top. Then top it gently with our leftover sliced mangoes. This will serve as our toppings or decoration. You can create your own design also if you want to. Tempting, right? And for the last part, we will be brushing the top of our ripe mango with sugar syrup. Actually guys, sugar syrup is made of 1 cup of water and 1 cup of granulated sugar. You'll just boil them together until the water becomes clear. Set them aside to cool down, then you can start using them. And here is our simple mango float. Let's dig in! If you like this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, like, and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you, and until next time!